Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking for a great cover for your grill?
This is our grill cover by NEXCOVER. We have it here in the color black in 70 inches. We have a pretty decent size grill and griddle combo, and we find that this cover fits perfectly. It is super easy to put on. You just need to line it up and then slip it right over the grill, and then you are good to go. I really appreciate how this protects our grill from the elements, whether that's sun or rain or whatever else is going to come our way. I know that our grill is nice and safe. I appreciate how durable this grill cover is as well. And it also comes with a lot of nice touches that just make it extra snug. So it has those adjustable straps that are Velcro on the side. It also has handles on the top as well, so super easy to take on and off. And then those adjustable straps make it so that it's able to fit, even if it's like a little bit bigger than the grill, you're able to fit nice and snug. And it has vents on the side as well, which help to keep moisture from getting locked in. So this is just a really excellent quality cover all around.
To keep your grill nice and protected and like brand new, check out this cover. I think you're gonna love it too, but that's just my point of view.